Hello and welcome. My name is Kathleen Finnegan. I am a stress reduction ninja at Zoe Life Healing. It's been a while since we've seen each other, and I wanted to apologize for being absent and let you know that I am here now. I do offer in-spa services like hot stone massage and Reiki, and some of you have already experienced both. But on top of that, I also offer online services through the phone or video like we are today, or even through sending a picture and a name and an intent, and I can send distance healing. So what might that look like? That might look like energy healing sessions, muscle testing for your supplements to know which ones are right for your body and how much to take and how often. Could be a one-on-one wellness coaching call, whether that's for stress reduction or maybe weight reduction. It may also look like Facebook groups for support, mindset, and personal growth. Maybe you are working from home now and your setup is not perfect. You're starting to feel those aches and pains in your wrists or your arms, possibly your neck, your low back, and you just need an ergonomic assessment to set up that. We can do that online by pictures and video and connection. I also run 2 online businesses, one which offers products and a business for chemical-free living. So if you're passionate about getting the chemicals out of your home, off of your skin, off of your hair, and off of your surfaces, because you don't want to clean with chemicals anymore, that might be a fit for you. My other business that I run online is products and a business that offer anti-aging and better health through supplements and skincare products. And if you're passionate about anti-aging and wellness and health, that might be a good fit for you as well. Maybe you're currently not working, or maybe you really just don't have the passion for your job. So maybe some of these online businesses might fit for you. Another option that I have is I teach Reiki. And I teach Reiki level 1 and level 2, and I will be introducing master's level as well. So maybe energy healing, maybe just spiritual side is something that interests you and that you're looking for. Reach out, join a class. We have group sessions, we can do one-on-one sessions, whatever works, whatever fits for you. Regardless of your needs, I want to let you know that I'm here for you. And I want to help you through your crisis. I've actually spent greater than a decade learning about stress reduction, recovering from crisis, whether it was my divorce or it's when I was bullied at work in my career, or just my health hitting rock bottom and diagnosis after diagnosis after diagnosis. And I got mad, I cried, and then I made a decision. And that decision was to fight for my health, to fight for my wellness and my wealth, and get it back on my terms, my time, my freedom, my terms. And I want to be here for those of you that need that support to get out of a crisis and to address this crisis before it becomes an even bigger crisis. I don't want people to reach health rock bottom. I want you to live your best life on your terms. So I invite you to reach out, share this with people. If you know someone that needs help, reach out if you yourself need some help. And we can see where you're at and work with you from where you're at and work on the progress and the progression to where you want to be. It is a process. It is work. I'm not going to lie. So you want to be able to invest time into your health and your wealth and set up a 5-year plan and start working. It's progress. And we can get you there. I wish you a beautiful day. Make it magical. Bye for now.